Am I really that much? And breaking these niggas down like a camera. You don't really just know you.
Hey y'all, if you're new, welcome. My name is Andrea D. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and share my channel with your friends, your family, your enemies. Don't make me know, never mind. And if you guys returning, welcome back. You already know how we get down over here. You guys, I wanted to do a video for you. I've been telling you I was going to put this video out. The procrastination has stopped, okay? I have had some little bit of time. As you can see, I'm in the car trying to get this content out for you guys. I know I've been promising you guys this video, and here it is, okay? So I want to give you guys 4 steps on how to create better videos, okay? It's very important to have nice videos when you're uploading and people are clicking on your videos and watching it. They want to watch good quality videos. So step 1 is this. You guys have to have a good camera. What I mean by good camera is a Sony, a Canon, and if those are something that you cannot afford right now, you're just starting off, or you're thinking about, I want to start a YouTube channel, but I can't afford those expensive cameras. Guess what? Everybody has a cell phone. Use your cell phone. I actually started out with my cell phone, okay? And I got a little secret. Come here. I still use my cell phone. Yes, I do, okay? I still use my cell phone to record. When I started out a couple of years ago, I cannot remember the phone I had. I know it was a Samsung Galaxy. I just don't remember what number it was. But obviously I have updated because I've been doing this for quite some time. And right now I am using Samsung Galaxy 23, I believe I have. So I got this phone when it first came out. So it has great quality. A lot of these phones nowadays, they really are just about this far away from being as good as the Sonys and the Canons. You know what I'm saying? So they really have come a long way. So with that being said, you have to have a good camera to use. You have to, in order to get good videos out. 2, I would say you have to have good lighting, whether it's natural lighting or a light that you buy to put on your phone or either your camera. Nowadays, they have so much stuff you can use now, whether you're looking on Amazon or, everybody loves TikTok. So they got the TikTok shop. You guys can be getting stuff from, heck, you can go to Shein at this point and get different lightings and stuff. So more than one place to get some type of lighting. So you have to have, like I said, camera, lighting, and you have to have editing software you can use. I'm going to get more into the editing software on another video I have for you guys. But you have to have editing software. Obviously, you got to be able to edit videos. Even if you're a beginner, you have to at least know how to do somewhat of editing. You have to. I taught myself. We'll get into that in another video. But yeah, you have to know how to do some type of editing, or how you're going to put the video out. You know what I mean? And then number 4 is, drum roll, audio. Audio. You have to be able to hear. You want people to hear you good when they're watching your vlogs. They want to be able to hear what you're saying. Nowadays, once again, you can go on any website at this point. They have a lot of equipment for even cell phones where you could put the little mic in there and you can hear crisp and clean, just like they have for the cameras. So it's a lot of ways. We really don't have any excuses. No one does at this point. There's no excuses to why you can't put out a good quality video. 4 steps. Camera. Okay? Lighting. Audio, aka microphone, something that people can hear you good at. And you have to have some type of editing skills. You don't have to be a professional. You can start off with something. But something is better than nothing, okay? So like I said, it's just 4 steps. 4 easy steps on how to create a nice video. That's it. I'm pretty sure you guys can handle that. And like I said, I'm going to be doing another video on what apps to use to edit your videos for professionals you know, which I'm sure they won't be watching this because they already know what they're doing. Or even for beginners. Basically, this is for beginners. If you're not a professional, which I am not, like I said, I taught myself how to edit. They have a lot of editing apps you can use and you can choose from. Most of them, if to get all the bells and whistles, you do have to pay for. Some editing apps are cheaper than others, so I'm going to go over that in my other video I'm going to be making for you guys. This is all for pretty much beginner YouTubers or people that thinking about starting a YouTube channel, because I was Googling and YouTubing and researching when I first started out, just a little bit, but I didn't find too many videos on it. So I'm like, I'm going to make a video on what you need to do to have good quality videos and what you need to have to start off. And that's going to be in my next video. I'm going to do a video for you guys to tell you what you need starting out, you know, when you want to do a YouTube channel, because a lot of people think you're going to need all these fancy bells and whistles and these expensive products, and you don't. You do not. I did not do that. I'm still not doing that. But there are ways that's affordable where you can have your videos looking as if you spent $1 billion on a camera. You know, I'm exaggerating, but you know, you could have your videos looking like you spent over thousands of dollars for a camera when you didn't, or thousands of dollars for audio when you didn't, you know what I'm saying? Or thousands of dollars for editing software when you did not. So there's different ways now where you can put out good quality content and don't have to spend a bag on it. You do not have to spend a bag on it. So that's the good part about it, and I'm actually happy with that as well, because who wants to spend a bag if you don't have to? You know what I mean? Like, who wants to spend a bag if you don't have to? So yeah, you guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. I was going to make it short, sweet, and simple for you guys, okay? Like I said, I'm doing other videos, and I wanted to just put something out here for the people that thinking about, you know, like I said, starting a YouTube channel or still doing a YouTube channel and want to elevate their, you know, vlogs and how they look. It's easy. It's not that difficult. Four simple things you need to have good quality videos, and you don't have to spend a lot of money. At least not starting off. If you want to get into the more expensive products, if you want to, once you start making money on YouTube, go right ahead. You know what I'm saying? But for people that's starting out or has been doing this for a while like me and just don't want to spend a lot of money on equipment when you really don't have to. You really don't have to. And I don't like when people say, oh, you have to have these high expensive cameras. You got to have these expensive software to edit your videos and all this, and the high expensive microphones. You do not need all of that. You really don't. You really do not. So I wanted to put a video out, like I said, and I have other videos coming out very soon. Like I said, the next one is going to be about what you need to have to start off with trying to start a YouTube channel. That's simple as well. Like I said, I'm going to get into that in another video. But you guys, I hope you enjoyed this. Leave me some comments down below. If you have any questions I can answer for you, leave them down below in the comment section. Please like this video. Share it out to anybody that you think this video will be helpful for, like someone starting out a YouTube channel. And I will see you guys in the next one. And you guys stay blessed. Bye.
Am I really that much?